For make this fantastic sandwich, we only need few ingredients. First of all, our ciabatta, some good prosciutto, rucola, mozzarella, artichoke in olive oil and aceto balsamico di Modena. This is a glaze, very good product. Let's start cutting in slice our mozzarella. In the bowl and our ciabatta. Remove a bit of the crumb. I could eat only this with olive oil, salt and pepper. The ingredients of this sandwich are very simple, but with their combination, the saltiness of the prosciutto with the sweetness of the mozzarella, then the interesting taste of the artichokes with the fresh taste of the rucola and also a bit pungent taste, and then mixed together with the sweet and sour flavor that the aceto balsamico gives, it makes a sandwich that is extremely balanced, rich and tasty. Well, let's start adding a bit of olive oil in our ciabatta. At the base, a bit of rucola. A bit more of olive oil and a bit of balsamico. Then goes our prosciutto. Then our artichoke, marinated artichoke. Then mozzarella on top of everything. A bit of black pepper, a pinch of salt, and a bit more of balsamic. And we close. Already like this would be incredible, but now into the toaster for melt the mozzarella and make the bread even crunchier. That's the sound we want. The smell is amazing, guys. Look at this. Ciabatta, prosciutto, artichoke. Not too bad.